For months, the tech world has debated whether the future of artificial intelligence will remain locked in massive cloud data centers or be set free on our personal devices. Today, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang made his stance pretty clear, releasing a powerful new model designed to turn your standard laptop into an autonomous AI agent. I'll give you the details right away, but first, here's something you don't want to miss. Cypher 2026, powered by IBM Bob, is back and it's bigger and better than ever before. Join us this October at KTPO Bengaluru for the 10th edition of India's largest AI summit. The clock is ticking, viewers, and the tech circle is buzzing with excitement. We'll see you all there. That being said, here's the story. NVIDIA has officially launched Nemotron 3.5 Lightning, a lightweight, open-weight AI model available for free usage. Unlike massive cloud-based competitors, Nemotron 3.5 Lightning is specifically optimized to run locally on devices with just a single GPU. This means it can operate entirely on your standard desktop or laptop for that matter, without ever needing an internet connection. Now, Nemotron 3.5 Lightning is built for what NVIDIA calls, quote-unquote, always-on agentic workflows. Instead of just answering questions like a typical chatbot, this 30 billion parameter model is designed to sit in the background and execute multi-step tasks, like managing your calendar, sorting your files, and writing or debugging code entirely on its own. And because it runs locally, all of your personal data stays completely private on your device. The launch represents a major milestone in open-weight AI movement. Amid political debates in Silicon Valley over whether open AI architectures pose a security risk or not, Jensen Huang recently published an open letter strongly advocating for them. NVIDIA's new release directly aligns with this, offering a highly capable model that developers can download, can fine-tune, and can deploy for commercial use as well. Meanwhile, reports suggest that NVIDIA is also working on a massive 1 trillion parameter model, Nemotron 4, to compete directly with giants like OpenAI. Now, giving away cutting-edge software for free might sound counterintuitive, but it is a brilliant hardware play. As Jensen Huang explicitly stated, and I quote him here, free AI should be great for chips. By lowering the barrier to entry with capable open source models, NVIDIA encourages massive enterprise and consumer adoption. If everyone wants to run powerful AI agents locally, everyone is going to need to buy more of NVIDIA's GPUs to do it. Besides, NVIDIA is trying to make its hardware more useful and more attractive for local AI. NVIDIA specifically stated that Nemotron 3.5 Lightning is designed to run on its DGX Spark and Jetson platforms. Here, of course, ladies and gentlemen, is the front page take on the story. Besides selling the picks and shovels for the AI gold rush anymore, NVIDIA is also giving away the maps for free, just to make sure you keep buying their hardware. The question here I would like for you to answer is this. Nemotron 3.5 Lightning is surprisingly capable for its size. But how far are we from small, highly optimized models becoming good enough to handle most of our everyday AI tasks directly on our phones and laptops, leaving the cloud only for the jobs that truly need it? Or is local AI simply becoming NVIDIA's next big consumer hardware market? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.